Hybrid. Watch this first. Hybrid versus gas car, which costs more to fix?
Maintenance differences. Hybrid vehicles experience less brake wear due to regenerative braking. Gas vehicles require more frequent oil changes and brake service.
Big repair: hybrid battery, $2,000, $6,000. Gas engine repair, $3,000, $7,000. Common problem: hybrid battery, inverter, electronics, gas, engine, transmission, sensors.
Final answer. Hybrids save money long term. Gas cars cost less to repair.
Hybrids mean lower daily maintenance, but repairs can be expensive. Gas cars are cheaper to fix overall.
Thanks for watching B Auto Mechanic and EV Rescue. Real repairs, real solutions, real mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video.